4. Hawaii and Honolulu. A tropical storm watch is in effect for the following counties in Hawaii, Hawaii and Honolulu. Maui. A hurricane watch is in effect for Maui. 4. Maui. The hurricane watch has been upgraded to a tropical storm warning for Maui. 4. Kauai. The hurricane watch has been upgraded to a hurricane warning for Kauai. 5. Flood watch in effect from Monday morning through Tuesday morning. What flash flooding caused by excessive rainfall is possible? Where? Niihau, the Big Island, Kauai, Oahu, Maui, Molokai, Lanai, and Kahului. When? From Monday morning through Tuesday morning. Impacts. Flood-prone roads and other low-lying areas may be closed due to elevated runoff and overflowing streams. Urban areas may receive more significant flooding and property damage due to rapid runoff. Additional details. Hurricane Ella passing near or over the state of Hawaii will bring an increasing threat of flash flooding. Intense rainfall will be possible, especially along the windward slopes. You should monitor later forecasts and be prepared to take action should flash flood warnings be issued. The following is a hurricane local statement for the following in Hawaii, Hawaii, Honolulu, Kalingau, Kauai, and Maui. Ella continues northward today. Situation overview. Hurricane Ella is approximately 240 miles southwest of Honolulu. Ella will track northward towards Hawaii tonight. Ella is expected to remain a powerful Category 4 hurricane before making landfall in Oahu or Kauai on Monday. The main threat with this system is heavy rain leading to flooding and flash flooding across the state. Tropical storm force winds are possible across most of Hawaii, with hurricane force winds possible in Oahu and Kauai. Storm surge flooding will be possible, especially on the windward side. Dangerous marine conditions will develop over the coastal waters with strong winds, rough seas, and dangerous rip currents. Seas will build to 25 to 30 feet, with higher seas near Kauai. A high risk for rip currents is expected to continue through at least Tuesday for the coast. Next update. The next local statement will be issued by the National Weather Service in Honolulu, Hawaii around 11 p.m. or sooner if conditions warrant.
This is the Kauai Emergency Management Agency with a civil emergency message. Hurricane Ella is expected to make landfall near Kauai around 11 a.m. tomorrow. Finish preparations before conditions deteriorate Monday morning. Board up windows, secure all outdoor furniture and loose objects, and clear rain gutters and downspouts. Turn off utilities if instructed to do so. Otherwise, turn the refrigerator thermostat to its coldest setting and keep its doors closed. Avoid using the phone, except for serious emergencies. Consider texting. Prepare to evacuate when directed to by local authorities or when you feel you are in danger. Have a plan for what to do with your pets if you need to evacuate. Take your emergency supply kit with you. During the storm, stay indoors away from windows, skylights, and glass doors. Secure and brace exterior doors. Close interior doors and take refuge in a small interior room, like a closet or hallway, on the lowest level of your home. Listen to the radio or television for updated weather information, sent by the Kauai Emergency Management Agency.
The National Weather Service has issued severe thunderstorm watch number 2, effective until 8 p.m. This watch includes the following in Hawaii, Big Island, and the following marine locations: Big Island windward waters and Big Island southeast waters. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means that conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds, in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Severe thunderstorm warning for the island of Oahu until 11 a.m. At 10:11 a.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near East Honolulu, moving west at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roof, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Honolulu, Waimanalo, Halewa, Wahiawa, Waiawa, Schofield Barracks, Hawaii Kai, Kawa, Ahuimanu, Honolulu, Witherfield, and Kapolei. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Flash flood warning for the island of Oahu until 2 o'clock p.m. At 10:57 a.m., radar indicated heavy rain over windward and north shore Oahu. Rain was falling at a rate of 3 to 4 inches per hour. Flash flooding is already occurring. Hazard, heavy rain producing life-threatening flash flooding. Source, radar indicated. Impacts, significant and life-threatening flooding in drainages, streams, rivers, roads, properties, and other low-lying areas. Multiple public road closures expected, as well as landslides and steep terrain. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Waikane, Waiahole, Kaiau, Kawa, Kahumanu, Honolulu, Pearl City, Mililani, Ia, Taula, Wahiawa, Halawa, Moanaua, Kaneohe, Salt Lake, Lae, Kaneohe Marine Base, Kalihi, Monoweli, and Kahuku. Stay away from streams, rivers, drainage ditches, and culverts, even if they are currently dry. Do not cross fast-flowing or rising water in your vehicle or on foot. Turn around, don't drown. Flash flood warning for the island of Kauai until 3:30 p.m. At 11:22 a.m., radar indicated very heavy rainfall from Hurricane Ella occurring over many parts of the island. Rain was falling at a rate of 3 to 5 inches, but at times to as high as 7 inches per hour. Flash flooding is already occurring. Some streams are nearing record levels. This is a flash flood emergency for the island of Kauai. Hazard: heavy rain producing life-threatening flash flooding. Source: radar indicated. Impacts: severe flooding in drainages, streams, rivers, roads, properties, and other low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Lihu, Kilauea, Anahola, Mana, Hanalei, Napali State Park, Omai, Waimea, North Fork Wildlife Trail, Walua, Waimea, and Princeville. Move to higher ground now. This is an extremely dangerous and life-threatening situation. Do not cross fast-flowing water in your vehicle or on foot. Find an alternate route. Turn around, don't drown.
This message is for Kauai County. The National Weather Service has issued a flash flood warning. Avoid all non-essential travel, particularly in the North Shore area. Kuhio Highway in Hanalei may close on short to no notice. Sent by Kauai Emergency Management Agency.
Extreme wind warning for the island of Kauai until 2 o'clock p.m. At 11:33 a.m., visible satellite data indicated the eye wall of Hurricane Ella, containing winds up to 140 miles per hour, moving north towards the island of Kauai. Extreme winds associated with the eye wall will be moving onshore over the entire island. The hurricane eye wall was moving north at 11 miles per hour. This is an extremely dangerous and life-threatening situation. Widespread destructive winds of 115 miles per hour up to 140 miles per hour based on available data will spread across the area, producing swaths of tornado-like damage. Highest wind speed will be over Lihu, Waimea, and Kekia. Take cover now. Move immediately to an interior room in your shelter. Take action now to protect your life. The safest place to be during this situation is in a reinforced interior room away from windows. Remain in place through the passage of these life-threatening conditions. tornado warning for the island of Maui until 12:45 p.m. At 12:16 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located 3 miles north of Kihei, moving northeast at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Damage to roof, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This tornadic thunderstorm will remain over sparsely populated areas of the island of Maui. Heavy rainfall may hide this tornado. Do not wait to see or hear the tornado. Take cover now.
Residents of Honolulu County, rolling blackouts will begin this evening from dusk to dawn until further notice. Severe damage has occurred to power stations across the island. Repairs are underway to restore power. If you require assistance during blackouts, please call the Department of Community Services at 808-768-7762. Electricity supply will be limited during daytime hours. Please limit your electricity usage until power stations have been restored.